Hey everyone, and welcome to Chinese Skill Unit 7. In this unit, we're going to talk about jobs. We'll learn a few simple job titles, how to inquire about others' work, as well as cover a few basic pronouns. So let's begin with a simple question. 你做什么工作?你做什么工作? What do you do? What's your job? 做 means to do. 什么 is the question word for what, and 工作 means job. 做什么工作 literally do what job. 你做什么工作? What do you do? What's your job? To answer this question, we can say 我是 plus your job title. 我是 job title. For example, 我是老师. 我是老师. I'm a teacher. A few more job titles in Chinese. Doctor is 医生. So if I asked you, 你是医生吗? And you wanted to answer, no, I'm not, you could say, 我不是医生. 我不是医生. I'm not a doctor. If you have a younger sibling that's still in school, you could say something like, 我妹妹是学生. 我妹妹是学生. My younger sister is a student. 学生 means student in Chinese. Another modern day job is 程序员. 程序员. It means programmer. My uncle just so happens to be a programmer, so I could say 我舅舅是程序员. 我舅舅是程序员. My uncle is a programmer. Remembering the names for all these job titles can seem really difficult at first, but there's actually clues hidden in the names that can help us understand and remember them easier. For example, 师 originally means teacher or master and can be found in jobs like teacher, 老师, 老师, and lawyer, 律师, 律师, lawyer. 员 refers to someone engaged in some sort of activity or someone working as an employee. For example, 运动员, which means athlete or someone engaged in 运动, sports or exercise. Also, 程序员, programmers, they're members of the staff working as an employee. 运动员, athlete, 程序员, programmer. 生 refers to a student, like in 学生, student, and can also be found in other job titles like doctor, 医生, 医生. If you ever get the chance to go to China, you might find yourself in a group of people. Maybe you're out with some friends. You're definitely going to need to know the plural forms of the basic pronouns, which are 我, I, 你, you, 他 and 他, he and she. All we have to do is place a suffix 们 after each one of these, and we get their plural equivalents. For example, 我, 我们, 你, 你们, 他, 他们. So if you're out with your coworkers and someone asks you, 你们做什么工作? What do you all do for work? You could say, 我们是工程师. 我们是工程师. We are engineers. In Chinese, the word they is 他们, and something really interesting here, when written or typed, 他们 can actually carry the male and female 他. The male 他 is used when referring to groups of males, or males and females mixed together, and the female 他 is used only when referring to groups of females. But in spoken Chinese, 他们 covers for all groups of people, so that's pretty easy. So to ask the question, are they teachers? You could say, 他们是老师吗? 他们是老师吗? Are they teachers? Here, ma is used at the end of the sentence to create a yes or no question, and when asking about someone's job, we can use the following structure. Subject plus 是 plus job title plus 吗. Like in 他们是老师吗? Are they teachers? However, you can also form this yes or no question by using the 是不是 structure. Here the ma is removed and 是 is replaced with 是不是. For example, 你是不是护士? 你是不是护士? Are you a nurse? 他们是不是老师? 他们是不是老师? Are they teachers? When forming a yes or no question with the verb 有, like in 你有哥哥吗? Do you have an older brother? We can do something similar here. We remove the 吗 and replace 有 with the structure 有没有. For example, if you're in a restaurant and you want to ask if they have tea, you could say 你们有没有茶? 你们有没有茶? Do you all have tea? If you wanted to ask someone if they have kids, you could say 你有没有孩子? 你有没有孩子? Do you have children? Structures like 是不是 and 有没有 are basically just the combinations of two opposites. 是 for is and 不是 for is not. 有 for have and 没有 for not have. 是不是有没有? 你是老师吗? Are you a teacher? 你是不是老师? Are you a teacher? 你有孩子吗? Do you have kids? 你有没有孩子? Do you have kids? We've come a long way from Unit 1, and we've learned how to introduce a lot of our personal information, including name, nationality, age, job, language ability, the size of our families. I'd like to do a little review here with you all. That way, if you ever do get the chance to go to China, we can spend some time practicing some more native-like conversations. So follow me and try to answer and interact with me the best you can. 我叫 Kyle. 你叫什么名字? 我是美国人. 你是美国人吗? 我32岁. 你多大? 你家有几个人? 我家有6个人. 我会说英语，也会说汉语。你呢？你会说什么语言？我是老师。你做什么工作？你是老师吗？ Great job, everybody, and keep up the good work. Bye bye.